Hello there. Do you want to use social media marketing to monetize your brand? You are in luck, then. An efficient and very simple approach to make money online is through social media marketing. An instruction manual on how to profit from social media marketing is provided below. Step 1. Choose a niche. Choosing your topic is the first step in using social media marketing to earn money. The particular sector or subject that you will concentrate on is your niche. You may, for instance, concentrate on fashion, cosmetics, or fitness. It will be simpler to target your audience and provide material that appeals to them if your specialty is more narrow. Step 2. Increase your online following. It's time to start growing your social media following once you've decided on a niche. You can achieve this by producing interesting material that appeals to your audience. Share your material on social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Employ hashtags to help people find your material, and interact with your followers to grow a community. Step 3. Associate with companies. You can begin working with brands to market their goods and services after you have a following. Speak with companies in your industry and offer them your social media marketing services. Offer to write sponsored blog pieces, product reviews, or take over social media accounts. Make sure your followers know when you are posting sponsored material. Step 4. Make your content profitable. You may make money off of your social media material in a variety of ways. Joining affiliate marketing networks and promoting goods or services to your audience is one option. For each purchase made through your exclusive affiliate link, you will receive a commission. Ads are yet another way to make money off of your content. To display AdWords on your social media networks, you can make use of services like Google AdSense or Facebook Audience Network. Step 5. Continue expanding. Continue to expand your audience and level of involvement if you want to succeed at social media marketing. Provide interesting content on a regular basis, interact with your fans, and collaborate with businesses to market their goods. Your earning potential will rise as your following expands. A wonderful approach to make money online is through social media marketing. You can turn your social media presence into a successful business by picking a niche, growing your social media audience, working with brands, and monetizing your material. Never stop learning, always be yourself, and enjoy yourself while doing it.